Of course, you can continue to use the guided session practices from your course, which will all remain available to you on YouTube. For extra guided sessions, visit the YouTube playlist of timed mindfulness practices below. This playlist contains guided sessions for mindful breathing, listening, looking, body scan and meditation, in both male and female voices, and with different nature scenes. The videos vary in time, from 1 minute to 45 minutes, so you can choose a session length to fit into your daily schedule. You can get this link in the YouTube video description below. I hope you've enjoyed your course experience, and once again, well done for staying with it. Keep up your practice, and good luck. Help promote your course to others. If you liked your course, please consider 1. Subscribing to my channel on YouTube, called Image Relaxation Videos. 2. Share the course with your friends and family on social media. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos.